So in that time, the mental arithmetic skill will get developed. Okay, and through numbers, through here the numbers we are going to use. So when we teach through numbers, that will the number fear, no, they will get out of the number fear. Some students they will get number fear. So some students know what they feel, they feel when we say maths, they feel it is very bad. So that number fear, we can remove that number fear through teaching in abacus. Okay, next. So these are all the things we are going to do in the abacus. Next, it is abacus program. So in abacus program, basically it is a brain development program. That too also whole brain development program. Okay, and this is for the age group. It is 5 to 12 years. That is for the primary children. Those who are in primary class, no, for them only it is this program. We can give this program. Okay, and next it is this program consists of 8 levels. So totally 8 levels we have in this, and for every level, each level, the time duration will be 3 months for the children. These are the things I am telling to the children. For 3 months we need to teach every level, and the complete level now, all the 8 levels will complete in 2 years. Total duration it will be 2 years duration. Clear? Okay. Now I said it is a whole brain development program, isn't it? The whole brain development. How it is whole brain? How it is related with whole brain development? Let me explain. Okay. So you all know our body. You all know about our body. It is divided into 2 parts. Okay, that is left part and right part. And its master controller is the brain. So that brain is also divided into 2. This and all already you know. Anyway, we are relating with the abacus program now. That's what I am explaining it. So that brain is divided into 2. Left brain controls the right part of the body, and right brain controls the left part of the body. Clear? Nowadays, what we are all doing, most of us are using our right part only, right hand, using right hand. So, see, in olden days, they use both the hands. That is by drawing wells, no, that is water from the well. So, when they do ploughing work, when they do grinding, they all use their both hands. But nowadays, we all are using our gadgets. So, everything in electronics, we are all using. So mostly we are using our right hand, which stimulates the left brain only. Clear? So now in abacus class, we are going to train the children in such a way they have to use their both hands. Okay, when they use their both hands, so their left brain as well as right brain will get stimulated. Clear? So for the left brain, some activities are there. For the right brain, some activities are there. So when they stimulate, so you can see the screen sharing now. So all these activities, they all get stimulated. Okay, when they use their both hands in the abacus, no, we train in such a way they will use their both hands. So their brain activity, so it brings them the whole brain activity. Clear? So what is the result? So you can see the improvement. See, when a child is admitted in the class, no, so at the time, then he may be dull in any one thing. So when we give regular practice, you can find the difference within 2 or 3 months. Okay, that too also, if they do regular practice daily, 20 minutes practice is enough. Okay, if they do regular practice, what they find within 3 months, they can find the difference. In studies, in all other activities, you can find the difference. So their parents know, they will happily come and approach us. Yeah, because of the abacus only this happens. So what is the only thing? We are giving stimulation by giving practice in the abacus. Okay, through nerves, through finger nerves, our brain is getting activated. Okay, see, when I touch the abacus, see, this is the abacus kit. We touch here, no, we are touching through left hand and right hand. I tell you how to use, what are the fingers we are going to use. Everything I tell you in the class. But when we touch these fingers, no, these nerves, no, when we touch it here, these nerves stimulates the brain nerve. That too also in the early stage. They are learning abacus in the early stage, 5 to 12 years program. So at that time, their brain capacity, so we are stimulating their brain capacity. So that will result in the whole, that is in the academic performance, even in other performance, so in other activities also, they'll get trained. Okay, these are all the things. Now I'll show you demo class only, no. So I'll show you how to do in the abacus kit. Before that, I'll show you one more slide. In that we have skills. What are the skills developed in abacus? Okay, so in abacus class, we used to give speed writing. Okay, speed writing means within 1 minute they have to write everything, and within certain time. So in each and every page, when we do exercise, each and every pages we have time limit. Within that time limit, they have to complete that exercise. So they naturally their speed is getting increased. Even though a slow learner, when we used to give training like this, their speed is getting increased. Okay, and second one, flashcards. Flashcards, I'll show there is card. One side that picture is printed, in the another side number is given. Just I'll show you the card only 1 second. So within that 1 second, he will grasp everything and he will give us the answer. So that is photographic memory. So when that photographic memory is helpful for science, no, in diagram. So when they see the diagram, they can immediately reproduce it. And when they see that in social science, they have map drawing. So in the map, they can easily identify the places. So these are all the things when we give practice in flashcards, their photographic memory is getting increased. And oral. Third one is oral. It is very, very important. This will improve their listening power. So oral is nothing but we used to dictate the number. We will give the number. They will do calculation either in abacus or mentally. Okay, that is mental arithmetic, and they'll give the answers correctly. So when unless otherwise they listen it properly, they won't give the correct answer. So that will improve their listening power. Clear? And last one, basic exercise. Basic exercise is nothing but our formulas. We have formulas in abacus. That formulas we used to give practice. When they do practice, no, their concentration and as well as speed is getting increased. So abacus is totally, it is time-tested program. Okay, so everything we insist them to do within the time limit. So what happens in future course? They can easily complete their homework, everything. What it is fixed in their mind, they can do in time. Okay, that only we are going to do here. Now I'll give you one demo in using abacus. Okay. So, okay. Now this is abacus. Actually, this is teacher abacus, and I'll show you the student kit. Okay, this we have a single color and multicolor also is there. So this is for students, okay, and this is for teachers. So in this teacher kit, I'll teach you now, and here is the abacus. Now the outer part is frame. We call it as frame, and the middle part, no, this is called bar. Here the bar divides abacus into two parts. Clear? So abacus is divided into two parts. The bar is dividing this abacus. So now here we have beads. The yellow color part is beads. So some beads. So below the bar we have some beads. Okay. And above the bar we have only one bead. Now let us see the counting. Below the bar, you have beads, no? That bead has a value 1. Each bead has the value 1. Okay. When I take one bead, see, if I take one bead and when it touches the bar, it gets value. Clear? I am taking only one bead. When it touches the bar, here, this is the bar. When it touches here, it gets value. Now, I am taking another one bead. Now it is 2. 2 beads are touching here. So its value is 2. Then 3. Clear? Now figure 4. So all the beads in the lower part has the value 1. Okay. Now I am taking upper bead. So bead above the bar is called upper bead. Now the upper bead has the value. Only one bead is here, but its value is 5. Clear? So this is 5. When it touches the bar only it gets value. So we should move it down. So it is 5. So one more time, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we have 5 in the upper part. Then if you take 1 in the lower bead, so I am taking 1 upper bead, 1 lower bead, together it is 6. Clear? Now I am taking another one, 7, 8 and 9. So in one rod, I am taking all the beads. The value is 9. And this place, no, the middle part. So here I am having 13 rods. And in that 7th rod, I am keeping it here. This place, no, this is called units place. So you know the place values. So 1th place, 10th place. So this is units place. So what is in the next? Towards left side, it is tens. Yes, it is tens. Okay. Then in the next place, it is 100th place. Then it is 1000. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So towards left side, we have all the place values. So what will be in the right side? That is the decimal part. Clear? So in the decimal part, we call it as tenth. So instead of tens, we call it as tenth, T-E-N-T-H. You all know, I think so. So 10, 100, 1000 like that. In the right part, it is decimal part. In the left part, we know the place values. It is 1, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000 and so on. Okay. So in the unit place, I kept all the beads. The value is 9. Okay. If I take beads in 10th place, if I keep beads in 10th place, it is, if I keep 1, here the place value is 10. So we have to say it is 10. Okay. If I keep another one bead, because of its place value, it is 20. Then 30, 40 and so on. Okay. The same thing in 100th place. If I keep only one bead, because of its place value, that one bead has the value 100. Then 200, 300, 400 and so on. So it goes like this. Okay. Now you know the counting. Clear? And maybe you all have studied in Vedic maths, that is complements. Supplements and complements you all know. So nothing but we call it as friends here. Okay, because we are going to teach for the kids, no. For 5 to 12 age group only we are going to teach. So instead of mathematical term, here we are using big friends and small friends. Okay, I'll introduce big friends now. So numbers you take up to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? So you all know the friend, that is, I'll introduce the friends now. See, the first number and last number are friends. Okay, so one friend is 9. Okay, then for 2, it is 8. Then for 3, it is 7. And for 4, it is 6. For 5, there is no connecting number. So 5 itself is a friend. Okay, so 5 friend is 5. So we can write 19, 283746. Okay, 19283746. For 5, it is 5 only. Okay, then plus 64, vice versa. Actually, it is 46. Then vice versa, it is 64, 70, 82, 91. Actually, it is a combination of 10. This already you know. So here we use the term 10 is the teacher. And these friends are called big friends. We call it as big friends. See, actually, this and all will come in middle only. So big friends, small friends, everything will come in the middle only. Just you listen, and when we start the class, I will explain it thoroughly. Okay. Now I am taking 9. Okay. 9 friend is 1. Plus 9 here. Plus friend is minus. Another one friend is also there. We can have it as plus friend is minus and minus friend is plus. Okay. Using these numbers only, we are going to do sums in the abacus. Okay. So addition is there, subtraction is there, multiplication and division. Totally, we have 34 formulas in this. Okay. In first 2 levels, we have formulas only. So all 34 formulas will be there. So after completion of the 34 formulas only, we can go for application part will go. That time only we can use multiplication and division. Clear? So you know counting and you know the big friends. Okay. Now I'll tell you how to use this in the kit. I'll tell you in multiplication. Multiplication, I'll show you one side. Okay. Before that, I'll show you multiplication tables. Because children know they find difficult in tables only, no? So I'll teach you how to keep tables. Just you listen. So when you take class, you can easily understand everything. But you see here. Okay. I'm taking 9th table. 9th table, I'll show you. So it is repeated addition. You all know that multiplication is repeated addition. So I'm going to do repeated addition here, which will give you tables. Clear? Now 1 time 9 I kept here. This is 9. You all know very well. Clear? This is 9. 1 time I kept. So it is 9 ones are 9. Okay. Now another 9 plus 9. For that, I am going to use big friend. Okay. Here, for big friend, minus 1. Here, plus 9 friend is minus 1. So, I'll tell you why do we use minus 1 and why do we use plus and minus. Okay. How to use plus and 9 in the class? You just listen now. So, for plus 9, it is minus 1 is a friend and we have to take it from the teacher's text. Okay. We have to use friend and teacher. Whenever the beads are not there, we have to use the friend and teacher. That is the concept. Here, 9 bead is not there, so we have to use friend and teacher. Okay, here the friend is 1, teacher is 10. I am going to use friend and teacher. Friend 1, teacher is 10. Okay, whenever the beads are not there, we have to use friend and teacher. We have to get the help from friend and teacher. Now, here the 9 friend is 1 and teacher is 10. Okay, I am using friend and teacher. Means answer is 18. See here it is 1, 10 place 1 bead and units place 8. It is 18. 1, 8, 18. 9 2s are 18. Okay, now again, we don't have plus 9. For plus 9, no enough beads. So we have to go to friend and teacher. Again, minus 1 plus 10. This is friend and this is teacher. Now you'll get 27. Means 3 9s are 27. Okay, then again, plus 9. No beads. So I am taking friend and teacher. So which will give you 36. 4 9s are 36. Another one, it is again we don't have 9. So we can do -1 plus 10 will give you 45. So 5 9s are 45. In this way, we can teach them multiplication table. So actually, we are doing addition, repeated addition, but which will give you multiplication tables also. So you can easily train them. Clear? And this is for multiplication. Another thing is mental calculation, mental arithmetic, which means they have to visualize the abacus kit. Clear? See, I'll tell you the number. So if I say 5 plus 3, so what will you do? 5 in the usual regular method, no? What will we do? 5 in the mind, 3 in the fingers, after 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the conventional method. Every class students are doing. Okay. So now we can easily imagine. We can ask them when they take training in abacus, they can easily imagine for 5 instead of 5. They can imagine this speed. This is 5 now, so they can imagine 5. Okay, so they will bring down 5. Now, slowly they will move 3 beats. So 3 beats up they will move. So together they will give answer 8. So no need to leave, keep in mind, no need to leave fingers and all. So just imagine the beats. Just by imagining the beats, they can give the answer. Isn't it? This is mental calculation. When we give regular practice, no, they can do higher number also. So this is for your sake. I'm telling you the simple number. So slowly, level by level, it will get increased. Number of digits and number of rows will get increased. So that time they will do higher number calculation also. Okay. So when you take training only, you can easily learn everything. You can easily teach them everything. Okay. So you can find the difference. See, so first when we enter into know, when a child is entering into know, they don't know anything. So slowly when we give training, that time they'll do faster calculation. So that time you feel more happy, their parents also they feel more happy, and the student itself they have more confidence. Isn't it? So if a child is getting number fear, so if you teach them in such a way, in a proper way, so what they will do sums correctly, so they will get some kind of confidence. So in that way only we have to train the children. Okay. And okay, I'll show you the flashcards now. Okay, this is abacus. Actually, if I do higher number sums, you can't understand. Without formulas, you can't understand. So simple only I have done. So one more I'll do in subtraction also using this friends. Okay, so that you can easily understand. I'll take number 26 and -9. Okay, 26 -9. How will they do in the school method? So they have 6 -9. They can't do. So what they have to do? They have to borrow from here, from 10th place. It becomes 16. So after that, you have to reduce here 1. So 2 becomes 1. Okay, after that, what will they do? After 9, they will count 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, like that. They have to count and they have to write the answer as 7. Clear? So in abacus, I'll tell you. See, 26 in tens place, keep 2. And in the units place, 6. 2, 6, 26. Okay. Now for -9. So for -9, we can use the friend complement. You know in abacus, sorry, in Vedic maths you may study, but within one step. See, I'm going to do +1. So +1 and -10 is the step. Only one step. See, the answer is 17. So sorry, I forgot to write 1 here. So it is 17. Within one step. No need to borrow. No need for counting. So they can easily do the sums. Okay, this is subtraction. So even addition and subtraction together they can do. Clear? So everything I'll teach you in the class because unless there is a formula is there, no. So after learning the formula only, you can understand everything. So even addition and subtraction together we can do, and multiplication sums are there, and even in division, no, triple digit division, double digit. When we go for higher level, you can easily, you have shortcuts for division and all. So by applying that shortcut, within 2-3 steps, you can get the answer. It's very easy. Okay. So that will be in the higher levels only. After 6 levels only, you have higher number of division. Okay. Now let me show you the flashcards. You must know about flashcards. See, this will improve their pictographic image. I said no. Pictographic image is nothing but when the picture is, when they see the picture only one time, they have to learn to reproduce it. Clear? Now first I'll show you one card for example. So this side, this picture is given. Clear? So you know the counting. So if it is possible, you just chat it in the box. Okay. So in the chat box, you write the answer. Now we know the counting is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This card, I'll show you like this one. Just 1 second. Not like this. Okay. Not more time. Just 1 second, I'll show it to you. You have to give me the answer. So this is answer 3. So at the back, we have answer 3. Okay. Now I'll show you. Single digit only I'll show you. So be ready. Are you ready? First card. Fantastic. Yeah. 5 is the answer. Very good, very good. Those who have given answer 5, fantastic. Another card I'll show you. Next. Ready? Fine, super. Satish Kumar. Fine, 7 is the answer. Clear, super. The next card. Ready? Fine. Again, Satish, fine. Then another one, Madhi, Lakshmi Priya, fine. Then Sridevi, fantastic. It's 4. Very good, very good. Another one card, last card. This is the last card. 9. Again, Satish Kumar, super. Lakshmi Priya, Sridevi, Ashwin. Correct, very good. So this is the thing. So just you are showing, so here we have single digit number. Later when they go for higher level, they have 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, all the cards are there. See for example, I will show you one card. This is 3 digit number. So 100th place 2, then 10th place 1, and in the units place it is 9. Fine, super. Mati, correct. Okay, 219. So this is the thing. Okay, these are all the things we got to do in the class. So that will make them fun, and this will improve their pictographic image. Clear? So this is the flashcard. I'll show it to you. And next one is speed writing. Another one thing is speed writing. So speed writing is nothing but so now I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. If it is possible, take one paper and pen. If possible. I'm going to set you the time. I'm going to give you only 1 minute time. Clear? So when I say start, you have to write this numbers 1, 2, 3 in the same way. In the same way, horizontal line, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Till 1 minute, you have to write again and again without stop. In between, you should not stop. Okay, again and again, you have to write these lines. The same lines you have to write again and again. I'll give you only 1 minute time to you. Okay, let us check your speed. Are you ready? Are you ready with pen and paper? Ready? Start. Fast, fast, fast. The name is speed writing, no. So we have to write fast. You should not use eraser. Again and again you have to write very fast. Super, super, super. Most of you are writing, I think so. Fine, fine, fine. Only 9, 8, 7, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. So completed now, 1 minute. How many times have you completed? Write it in the chat box. 12, 17 times, 12 times, 13, 15. Very good. Super. Very good, fast. Very, what? Very speedy you have written. Fine. Next time it should be increased. Okay. This time you complete, 20 times. Super fast. 24. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. So in class also you have to give like this. Okay, but the children, they won't write this much time. To start with, they maybe 7 times, 6 times only they'll write. Slowly you have to increase the speed and it should reach at least 15 times in 1 minute. Okay, 15 is very good speed. Okay, they should reach the level. We know we can write, but they should reach that speed. So this is the speed writing. Okay, is it clear now? Basic exercise. Another one is basic exercise that we shall do class practice only, because unless otherwise you know the formula, we can't do basic exercise. And you need abacus kit also. So that also you don't have now. So that we'll do in the class. Okay. So these are all the things you have to do in the abacus class. Definitely it will be a interesting one. So you can easily train the children. Clear? Now let me go for training session. Okay. So teacher training. You all are here for teacher training only. Okay. Now our teacher training program, it is divided into 2 phases. Actually, I said totally 8 levels are there. So 8 levels at a stage you can't take training because formulas are there and you have to thorough with the formulas. So you need more practice. So at a stage you can't take all the levels training. So in the first 2 levels in first phase, so that only we divide into 2 phases. In the first phase, we have first 2 levels. And in the second phase, remaining 6 levels. First 2 levels are very much important because that only we have all formulas. So the second part, second phase is application part. We are going to apply in mental arithmetic and multiplication and division. We are going to do in the second part only. So unless otherwise you are thorough in the first part, that is first phase, you can't go for the second phase. So first phase, so we have to complete first 2 levels. In that first 2 levels, we have direct addition and subtraction and formulas will be covered. Okay, then actually we have weekend classes only. As usual, maybe you have taken training for Vedic math, no? The same case, like for us also, weekend training only, nearly 1 to 1.5 hours duration every week. So this time, no, I'll give you homework also to you. Okay, like children, I'll give you homework because we have a material. So in that material, you have to do all the sums. Okay, I'll show you one book. Okay, see here, we have materials like this. So each and every formula, sums will be there. Clear? So I'll take you few sums and the remaining you have to work it out. So it's a homework to you. So every week, during the weekdays, you have to do practice. Okay, if you do practice, you can what, and the next class will be more easy to you. Clear? So the weekend classes only will be there, and 6 weeks we need to complete, 6 to 7 weeks. Clear? 6 to 7 weeks we need to complete the phase 1. So immediately after that first phase, you can start taking the class. Okay. So after 4 weeks itself, you can, if you complete first level, immediately you can start taking the classes also. Because what you are going to invest in the first phase, you can get back that amount if you put admission for 1 or 2 children. Okay. So first phase is over, and in the second phase, after 1 month, because it is after 1 month, minimum duration is 1 month, then it is up to you. So whenever you need, you can take the next class. In that, we have attested 6 levels. So for that, first 2 levels are very, very important. So that we want to be more thorough. So then only we can go for 6 to 8 levels. Okay. And for when you teach to the children, for 1 level, we need 3 months time. So for everything, so each and every week, what are the things you have to teach, what are the pages you have to give us classwork and homework, everything we will give as a syllabus paper. I'll give you in the class itself. When I take classes, I'll give you side by side instruction so that you can easily take the classes. Okay. Then one more thing. Coming, we have a summer class, summer camp is there. From March onwards, we have summer classes. If you take, this is the right time. If you take training, if you complete your training, so you can easily start your classes. First, there is 3 points are there. One is you can start taking classes from your home itself. You can start your classes from your home itself. Or else you can hire one place and you can take individual center. Okay. So, and third one, you can go and approach the schools. So when you take classes in home, you can, that is already sir told you, you can have a combined package, Abacus, Vedic Maths. So because Abacus is for the age group of 5 to 12 years. And Vedic Maths we have about 10 years. So about 10, if any child is coming inside your campus, so you cannot leave them alone. So either if it is below 10 children, you can put admission for Abacus. If it is above 10 years child, you can go for Vedic Maths. And sir told handwriting and other classes also there. If you are taking tuitions, that is also well and good. It will be added advantage to you. Okay. And if you go for schools, so schools we have 2 types of program. One is either they may have it as a extracurricular activity, or else they may have it as a co-curricular activity. So extracurricular for interested children only. Co-curricular is for compulsory program. So that and all I'll explain during the class session. Okay. And monthly fee, regarding this level fee. Level fee according to your area wise. If it is metropolitan city, you can go for 4,000. So if it is normal city, you can go for 2,500. Per level, I'm telling you, per level, you can collect 2,500. You may charge 2,500. So material charges are also there. That you can include that, or you can get it from additional amount also. That depends upon your area. Okay. So if you take 40 children, definitely you can earn 1 lakh. Easily you can earn. Unless otherwise, you have to be more dedicated and you need more patience also, because you are going to teach to the children. So if you earn good name, if you are very much you are thorough in Abacus means, definitely wherever it is, from your nearby area, everybody will ask and they will put admission here. Clear? So these are all the things. If you have any doubts, you can chat and send me the doubts. Send me your doubts, and remaining things sir will take care. Okay, he will give you all the guidelines and everything. Hope you understand my class. I think so. So any comments? In our area, they are charging 1,300. Maybe for 1 month, I think so. Is it? Is it so? 1,300 for one month? Very nice, super. Thank you so much. No month upper level. If you give a good quality training, definitely nobody will ask you. Clear? Quality. Because of the quality only, everybody will come and join with us. I have done abacus class. It's very interesting, wonderful, ma'am. Very good. Thank you. Looking forward. Very good. Most welcome. Pooja, you are most welcome. In my area, 600 per month. Yeah, it is 600. Okay. So you can take 4 months. So what? Yeah, school program.